Hey YouTube. Today we're going to take a look at this Craftsman 5-drawer rolling tool cabinet. I picked this up at Lowe's to help with our problem I have. My problem is this cabinet here is way full, and these drawers down here, they're actually broken. Well, right now they open and hard, but they broken and they stick sometimes. And that's because I have too many tools in there. I have all my sockets and all my wrenches in there. I have this little fella here, but he's also crammed full of stuff. So I just got another small roll away just to put on the side and offload some of the on the top of the box with the keys. And the packing material is kind of stuck. Okay, so the rule of ball bearing type drawers that are soft close. And in the bottom here we have, I guess there's a handle that goes somewhere. These here should be the castors. Instructions. And this is the rubber mat that goes on the top here. These are some massive 5-inch castors, or 4-inch castors maybe, I don't know, 4 or 5-inch castors. Some hardware to attach them. And some hardware inside this little bag here to attach this handle. The handle attaches to the side using these 4 holes here, and they're 4 10mm, well, they're Phillips actually, screws in here that get screwed into the side there. Using the packing material so I don't scratch the nice red finish on this thing up. At least not yet. On the side with the handle, we're going to put the swivel casters. And on the side that is trailing, we're just going to put the straight ones. These little things have a lip According to instructions, they want me inside like some castors bolt right up here. Let's go ahead and bolt them up. Got our roll of this Craftsman tool chest liner just to line the inside of all these drawers. It's on non-slip material. I'll fit perfectly inside each drawer. You just line the inside with it. So here's the liner. It's non-slip once you have something on there. It's made for these Craftsman drawers. This thing here could hold up to 100 pounds fully extended, and I might just be pushing that on some of the stuff that I have. Let's go ahead and put some tools in there. It's not completely packed up and organized, but it's better than I had it before. That's all my wrenches laid out in here. Some in the other one. And down here is where I really need some organization. But I have most of my sockets. I hope you can see it with the shadow. As well as here. Got some torque wrenches and some miscellaneous stuff. A couple ratchets in here. This takes a lot of the heavy weight off of this thing. And now I could just put really light stuff in here. Because this really wasn't meant to carry as much weight as this thing. This one's full of junk. That's the one we're going to tackle next. I hope you enjoyed seeing this video of the unboxing of this Craftsman tool chest and putting it together. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you on the next one. God bless you.